Hello and welcome back to channel Tech Manoj. In this topic of today, we'll just discuss how you can get the free RDP server. Okay, before going to start for this video, let me show you that proof that this RDP is perfectly working, and this is the remote desktop connection you can see, and this is perfectly working and no disturbance is on this RDP hosting. Okay, so you can run everything that you wanted from this RDP server, and I'll just show you the configuration and the method how you can get the free RDP, and this is completely free for 30 days with the complete setup of Windows server. Okay, so let me explain all this in the today's topic, but before that, don't forget to click on the subscribe and bell icon to get our latest update. Okay, we will not waste our time and go for the today's topic and grab this free RDP. So for that, first of all, we'll just go for the new tab of your browser, and here we'll just go for the website. I'm going to reveal the website grocerysaver.com. So this is the website which will provide you the free RDP server. So basically this is SG host by which you can get the free RDP server, but they have just made the website as a grocery saver because their motive is that you can get the hosting in the price of grocery. It means that if you just save some grocery item, then you can buy a hosting plan. Okay, you can get the cheapest hosting plan. As previously I had already made a video how you can get the free WordPress hosting from this topic. Now let's come on the RDP server one. Scroll down. Here is the section by which you can get the free RDP server. Let me start over here because we'll not waste time. We'll directly go for the start now. Now you will be redirected to the shopping cart of this page where you can see the three plan: BPS 1, BPS 2 and BPS 3. Now let me select for the BPS 1 plan because this is completely free, as you can see in the screen as well. Let me order this, and after that this will be added to our cart. But before that, you need to choose a domain. Here you can register a domain, transfer a domain, or use the existing domain. Basically domain has nothing to do with the BPS server, but they just want you to take a domain. So for that, I'll just choose I'll use my existing domain name, then I'll just provide some domain name that is available on my, or you can just keep a new domain as well on this offer because this will have no connection to our RDP server. Now you can see that I have provided the techmanoj.com as my domain name. We'll just go for the use, and I have already used this domain previously on the same hosting to get the free WordPress hosting. So I'm just making a changes over here, and I'll just go for the use. So if this domain is validated, then you will be redirected to the configuration page of this RDP server, which RDP trial you want. Okay, so you need to click on the enable IPv6, then you need to go for the Windows server or Linux, Oracle, which kind of RDP server you want. Okay, basically I suggest you to go for the Windows 10 Enterprise. Scroll down on the purpose of RDP. We'll just go for the education and training. So there is a limitation on this RDP server. If you just select for the high configuration RDP server, then this will not get activated. Okay, so for that we'll just select for the basic plan. So this is the basic plan, 1 TB. We'll select this. Now on the CPU, you can select for the 4 core CPU, or you can select for the core 2B CPU. Okay, so after that we'll just go for the RAM, because on the CPU you'll just get 1 core CPU or 2 core CPU. Okay, now we'll select for the RAM as a 4 GB. Later on I have already tested this thing, because if you select for this configuration, you will just get the instant activation for this RDP server. So as the storage is 250 GB, let me select for this 250 GB of storage, and we'll just continue on this page. After that, you will be redirected to the next page on the review and checkout page. You can see for the pricing, it's completely free right now also. Obviously we'll go for the checkout. Now you need to create an account on this website to continue. Let me create an account, and after that we can go on the complete order. After that, please scroll down and click on the complete order, and once this is done, your order will be completed, as you can see in the screen as well. Okay, so after that you will be redirected to the order confirmation page, where you can see that your order number. After your order is confirmed, you can continue to client area to go further, and if you just click on the continue to client area, then your product is already activated. You can see in the screen as well. Okay, now you have to just click on the services, and after that you can get the detail of their RDP server. Click on the view detail, and after that this is active. You can see over here. So on the domain, this is our domain name that we have previously selected. This has do nothing over here. So we'll just get the IP and other information on the additional information. Just click over it, and here is the RDP username and password for the free RDP server. So let me copy this free RDP server. Then from the source, we'll just search for the remote desktop. Now we'll just provide the IP of our computer. Then username and password will also needed, where we can get the username and password from this website. Okay, so after you just provided your username and password, you'll just find this type of certificate. Please go for the as, and your remote desktop connection will be enabled, and you can see that this is completely working, and you can see that the RDP has been successfully assigned. Now you can go for the start, look for the configuration of this RDP server. Okay, let me go for the setting and just check for the system property. You can see for the speed of this RDP as well. You can check for the speed of the internet. So we'll just click on the about, and you can see that the RDP is fully assigned with the 4 GB of RAM. There is a integrated graphics card also, Intel's graphic card with the motherboard integrated with 64 MB. 120 GB of SSD is enabled with this RDP server, and 4 GB of RAM is installed. Okay, basically I think this is a custom PC that they are providing from the website, but this is perfectly working. So whatever matter that this is a free cloud server or the virtual PC or the physical PC, but this is perfectly working, and this way you can get the free RDP server from this website. Okay, so this is how you can get the free RDP server. If you got any problem, any confusion, you can contact me through tilaba2054 in the Instagram, and this is my channel. Please subscribe to the channel to get the more update like this. Thanks for watching this video. In this way you can get the free RDP server. We'll again meet in the next part of this video.